Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In today's lecture, we will discuss about skin depth and skin resistance. Skin depth and skin resistance. Skin depth is represented by this small delta and skin resistance is represented by RS. Skin depth is represented by delta and skin resistance is represented by RS. How we can define skin depth? Generally, the representation of electric field or magnetic field for lossy medium is equal to what? Its amplitude part, that is E naught plus initial amplitude. As wave is traveling, okay, with respect to distance, it is attenuated by attenuation factor alpha. So that's why alpha z is wave is traveling along z direction, E naught plus e to the power minus alpha z. Cos of omega t minus beta z. Let us say wave is electric field is along x direction and wave is traveling along x direction. For lossy medium. Similarly, for lossless medium or free space, and I will write for lossless medium. What is meant by lossless medium? For lossless medium, already we derived that alpha is 0. As alpha is 0, E can be represented as what? E is equal to E naught plus cos of omega t minus beta z. Cos of omega t minus beta z ax. What is the difference you observed? Here, this amplitude part is attenuated by this attenuation constant alpha. And this field goes by a phase shift of beta. Alpha is measured in terms of the Napier per meter, beta is measured in terms of the radians per second. Okay, so that means what? If distance increases, the amplitude of this one is decreased by a factor of alpha. So by attenuation factor alpha. Means what? At the particular distance, this amplitude may be equal to the 1 by E of its value. That distance is called as the skin depth. So basically, skin depth is defined as distance traveled by EM wave, means electromagnetic wave, at which amplitude decreased to a factor of 1 by E of its maximum value. 1 by E of its maximum value or initial value. 1 by E of its maximum value. So what is the amplitude of the wave? Either it may be electric field component or magnetic field component. That is, the wave amplitude is at which wave amplitude decreased to a factor of 1 by E of its maximum value. So what about the maximum value? E naught plus, basically amplitude is given by what? Amplitude of E is equal to what? Amplitude is given by what? E naught plus e to the power minus alpha z. Okay, yet z is equal to skin depth. The skin depth is represented by delta. At z equal to delta, E becomes what? E naught. Okay, so E equal to what? Amplitude of E is, or else mod E, magnitude or amplitude, that is mod E equal to what? E naught plus e to the power minus alpha z. At z equal to delta, mod E equal to what? E naught. According to definition, it is 1 by E. So what about this mod E at z equal to delta is given by what? At z equal to delta, we need to substitute in this one, that is what? E naught plus e to the power minus alpha z, e to the power minus alpha z, means here alpha and z should be delta. So then only we will get what? E naught by E naught into 1 by E. Now this can be written like this. So E naught plus e to the power minus alpha delta is equal to E naught into e to the power minus 1. So by equating the similar terms, we will get what? That is, these powers are equal. Here on left hand side e to the power minus alpha delta, on right hand side I have what? Minus 1. So that equal to what? Minus alpha delta equal to minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 cancelled out. We require what? Delta equal to 1 by alpha. Okay, let us go for a lossy medium, that is conductor. For the conductor, this delta equal to 1 by alpha means for good conductor, alpha is equal to beta equal to what? Under root omega mu sigma by 2. Omega mu sigma by 2. So therefore delta equal to what? Therefore delta equal to what? 1 by alpha. As delta equal to 1 by alpha, we can write this one as what? Under root 2 by omega mu sigma, or else it can be written like this, that is 1 by omega is 2 pi f, this 2 and this 2 cancel out, we can write like this, that is pi f mu sigma. So that means what? Skin depth of the medium is inversely proportional to the square of this conductivity of the medium. F is constant, mu is also constant. Okay, or else skin depth is inversely proportional to, we can write pi is constant, mu, that is medium parameter, that is also constant for the given medium, sigma is constant for the given medium. That means skin depth is inversely proportional to the square root of the operating frequency. So that is what? Del is inversely proportional to the square root of the operating frequency. Okay, from this discussion we can write the expression for the E for good conducting medium like this. I will rub this part. Therefore for good conducting medium, E is given by, therefore for good conducting medium, E is given by, for good conducting medium, E is given by, E can be written as, or else E can be written as like this. So that equal to what? E equal to E naught plus e to the power minus alpha. Alpha can be written as what? Delta is 1 by alpha. Therefore alpha equal to what? 1 by delta. So that's why it can be written as minus z by delta into cos of e to the power minus z by delta. I will write like this, that is z by delta cos of omega t for the good conductor. Beta equal to what? Alpha equal to beta. So that's why this can be written as what? Alpha is 1 by delta, beta is also 1 by delta. So that's why 1 by delta z into Ax, as wave is traveling along z direction and electric field is along x direction. So this is about what? Skin depth. Now we will discuss about that skin resistance. Before entering into that skin resistance, we will go for what? Intrinsic impedance of the medium for the good conductor. The general expression for intrinsic impedance is given by what? What is the general expression? The general expression for neta for lossy medium is given by what? Lossy medium, neta equal to under root j omega mu by sigma plus j omega epsilon. Mu by sigma plus j omega epsilon. For good conductor, basically that skin resistance is defined for good conductor. for good conductor, sigma is greater than omega epsilon. Means what? We can neglect this one. We can write neta as what? Under root j omega mu by sigma. Then this can be again written like this, that is under root. Let us multiply and divide with 2. So that is, it is j omega mu by 2 sigma, and let us take here 2. And I will write this j here itself, that is j. So it is nothing but what equivalent to this one, that is omega mu by sigma. This 2 cancel, that is under root j omega mu by sigma. And next, simplify this. Basically we require what? As it is impedance, it is a combination of what? Resistance and reactance. Now we can write this like this, that is neta equal to what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma, omega mu by 2 sigma, 2 into j, and add and subtract 1. So that is, there is no change in the expression, that is 1 minus 1. We can write this one like this also, that is under root omega mu by 2 sigma. The 2j can be written 2j into 1 plus 1, that means 1 square, and minus 1 can be written as j square. J square is nothing but minus 1. Now it is equivalent to what? Neta. So that is omega mu by 2 sigma. And what about this? It is 2ab plus b square plus a square. So that is a plus b whole square, means 1 plus j whole square. A plus b or b plus 1. Yeah. Okay, 1 plus j whole square. This square and this root cancelled out. This square and this root cancelled out. We can write this one like this. This is omega mu by 2 sigma 1 plus j. So it is consisting of real and imaginary. I will write that real as what? Resistance, and imaginary as what? Reactance. So that's why it can be written as what? Rs plus j, or else this is consisting of real and imaginary. We can write this as Rs plus j xs equal to what? Real term is what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma, under root omega mu by 2 sigma plus j into under root omega mu by 2 sigma. So by equating real and imaginary, we will get Rs equal to what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma, and xs is equal to what? Xs equal to under root omega mu by 2 sigma. This is called as a skin resistance. This is called as what? Skin resistance. Now we can derive relationship between the skin resistance and our skin depth. Okay, what is skin depth? Reciprocal of the alpha. Skin depth is the reciprocal of the alpha, that is delta equal to 1 by alpha. Now we will write this Rs. Therefore Rs can be written as what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma. Let us multiply with sigma. Multiply the numerator and denominator with a sigma. So it is multiplied with sigma here. This is a sigma. So then the sigma cancelled out. There is no change in the expression, that is into sigma. Then this can be written as what? Omega mu by 2 sigma, or else I will write like this. This is what? Under root omega mu sigma by 2 into omega mu sigma by 2 into 1 by sigma square. So this can be written like this, that is root 1 by sigma square is nothing but 1 by sigma, and what about this? This is omega mu sigma by 2. It is nothing but what? 1 by sigma into alpha or beta. Since alpha equal to what? For good conductor, for GC means good conductor, for good conductor, I will write here, for good conductor, what is the expression for alpha? Alpha equal to under root omega mu sigma by 2. So here we have under root omega mu sigma by 2, that is alpha. So that's why alpha is what? 1 by delta. So that is 1 by sigma delta. Since delta equal to 1 by alpha, that is alpha equal to what? 1 by delta. So this is what? Rs. Means what? Skin resistance is inversely proportional to the skin depth. Rs equal to what? 1 by sigma delta. Therefore Rs equal to 1 by sigma delta. Now let us write all the expressions at one place. We derived delta as what? 1 by alpha. What is the expression for alpha? Alpha equal to, alpha is what? And before this alpha equal to what? Under root omega mu sigma by 2 for the good conductor. Okay, and next Rs equal to 1 by alpha, and okay, delta equal to 1 by alpha, Rs equal to what? 1 by sigma delta. This is called as what? Skin resistance. Skin resistance is inversely proportional to the conductivity of the medium, and it is also inversely proportional to what? Skin depth of the medium, skin depth of the wave in a medium. So here skin depth is nothing but what? It is a measure of the, measure of delta is what? Measure of depth, measure of depth to which wave can penetrate through the, wave can penetrate through the medium, wave can penetrate through the, wave can penetrate through the medium. Please write down this one. Skin depth is a measure of the, measure of the depth to which, depth to which an EM wave, an EM wave, depth to which an EM wave can penetrate through, can penetrate through the medium. Alpha is attenuation, means loss, whereas delta is what? That is nothing but what? Strength of the EM wave. It is the loss. Okay, as delta is reciprocal of this loss, that means what? Delta indicates what? Strength of the EM wave. That means what? It is nothing but what? Depth to which an EM wave can penetrate through the medium. Okay, this is all about what? Skin depth and skin resistance. Skin depth is nothing but what? We can define like this also. Skin depth is nothing but what? Reciprocal of the alpha or attenuation constant. Or else, what is the skin depth? It is the distance traveled by the wave at which amplitude decreased to a factor of, amplitude of EM wave decreased to a factor of 1 by E. Okay, and we have alpha for the good conducting medium is nothing, good conductor is nothing but what? Omega mu sigma by 2, and relationship between Rs and this delta is nothing but what? 1 by sigma delta is nothing but our skin resistance. Of course, skin reactance formula is also what? Xs is nothing but what? What we derived, that is Rs is like this. Xs is what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma. In case of mu and sigma, this Rs can be written same thing, that is Rs equal to what? Under root omega mu by 2 sigma. Please remember all these formulas. Okay, with the help of these formulae we can solve problems. Okay, thank you.